You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a mystery box. Yes! Seems like it's been a while. Now this mystery box is going to be the party ready mystery box, and we are going to get a cutie in this box. So let's go ahead and see what all is in this box. First up, we are getting some Cricut infusible ink, and this is actually a really cool pattern I haven't used before, and I want to use. This is the Inferno pattern, so you're going to get two 12 by 12 sheets, and one's going to have, I'll go ahead and take it out so you can see it, but you can't see the true colors of it till you press it. So it's going to be this really pretty, do you see this? The different colors, but it's really cool. And then it's also got this black one, but this is not just black, it's more, it's hard to see on here, I don't know if you can see. It's got some like splatter in it with the gray and the black. Now, like I said, the colors will be much more vivid once you actually heat them and press them into the material. But this isn't that really pretty? That's so pretty. I love this one. I can't believe I haven't used this one. I seen this, I'm like, why have I not made something with this one yet? And then this is the other one here. See, it's not just black, and when you press it, it will be much darker. So it'll be more of the black with the gray, actually. But it just gives that really cool, like, has that splatter effect in it. So you're going to get one 12 by 12 sheet each of those. Perfect to make on a shirt or tote bag. You can do pillows. And we are going to get 12 by 24 inches of the foil iron-on, and this is in lemongrass color. So it's this neat, it's not quite lime green, it's lighter than that. But a pretty foil iron-on to add for accents to stuff. And then we are getting some Cricut mini glue sticks, and these are some long mini glue sticks. So you're gonna get 30 of these, and these are each 8 inches long. So if you have the Cricut glue gun, awesome, but you can also use them in other glue guns too if you don't have the Cricut glue gun. And we haven't had any of this in a mystery box for a long time. So we are getting some of the Cricut felt. We are getting each sheet, there's one color of each sheet, and each sheet is 12 by 12 inches. And this is the carousel sampler. So in this, you're gonna get one sheet of each, so you have the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, this is, oh, actually, and then this I call teal. Then you also have blue, purple, and then pink, white, and a black. So you really do have all of the rainbow here. These are awesome. This is great because it gives you all the colors to work with for a fun felt project. And we are getting some of this Cricut vinyl. This is super pretty to me. This color is Neon Watermelon, and this is the true brushed vinyl. So you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of this, and that color is, just think flamingo. Like, that's like the perfect way to describe it. And I love the feel of this. It gives a really cool texture when you use it too. It has the little lines in it. It kind of feels like something that's 3D. If you've ever felt something 3D printed, that's what the texture of this reminds me of. You see as you turn it, but it gives a really neat effect, and this color is gorgeous. Like summer projects, floral projects, flamingos, because flamingos. Definitely, but this is really pretty, the Neon Watermelon. And we're getting a pack of foil transfer insert cards. So these are Cricut Joy size. These are going to be 4.25 by 5.5 inch cards, and you have 8 different sets here. So it's going to come with the cards, the envelopes, and the foil inserts. So for the cards, you're going to get 4 of the Whispering Blue, then you're going to get 4 of the Tulip. These are like soft blue, soft pink colors here. And then for the inserts, we have this gunmetal metallic, which is really kind of bronze, think bronze, and the metallic's really pretty. And then we also have some forest green inserts also. But you also get the foil transfer sheets too, so you can go ahead and foil on these insert cards. So you're going to get silver and gold. I think 4 each, is that right? Yes. So you'll have 4 silver and 4 gold also. So you just go ahead, put your card together, put your inserts in, you can foil on the card, and then you have your envelopes also. So, and this is an 8-pack, so you get to make 8 cards with these. And if you don't have a Cricut Joy, you can always use the inserts to different things or the cards on different machines. So you don't have to have a Joy to use this. So don't think, oh, I don't have a Joy. That's okay. You can really, is it upside down? It's upside down. It's upside down. So you don't have to have the Joy, but you can still use these. And then this is awesome. I love all the options you get with this. So this is a premium vinyl, vibrant value pack here. So you are going to get one 12 by 12 sheet of all different colors shown there at the bottom. So you're getting the full rainbow, you're getting some brown, cream, silver, and just a bunch of different ones for all different kinds of projects. I love that because sometimes you just have a project and you don't need a full roll, but you want to use that color, and then you have all these different colors that you can use on different projects. So that's awesome. And then I'm happy to get this too. This is foil poster board. This stuff, first, I love working with poster board, and it's just pretty and shiny. But you're gonna get 2 of each color here, so there's 10 sheets total of 12 by 12 sheets. So you're gonna get 2 of each of the different sheets, and they come in gold, silver, teal, light pink, and pink, but just super pretty. But these pretties are just gorgeous. These colors are gorgeous. And then last but never least is our Cutie. Get him out of his box here. Hello, Candy Apple Cutie. This is the Candy Apple Cutie. So he is a repeat. He was out in January of 2021 and May of 2022, but he is a beautiful, just candy apple, like those shiny candy apples. It's almost that season. It's fall. Yes, I'm excited. It's fall. It's almost candy apple season. So it's perfect that we get the Candy Apple Cutie. And because we have a cutie in this box is access. It's not tax. Access. Oh my gosh. This box is access. This box is access. Why? Here we go again. I swear I have a tied tongue. Good Lord. This is, because we have a Cutie, this is access exclusive only, so you do have to remember Cricut Access. It's usually easy to say. It was not easy to say that time. So the box is $59.99, but you get your Access discount. And links are below to purchase everything, purchase the box, or to join Access if you're not. And you may know that these sell out very quickly. Like, they could sell out within the hour, so go ahead and purchase quickly. And we really appreciate if you use our links. It doesn't come at any added cost to you. They're just really a great way to support small business. We just get a small part of commission for you using our links. And if you're watching this video the day it comes out, today is the last day to enter our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. We are giving away a Maker 3 this month. So in the video description below, where you'll find the links, you will also find the information to enter that contest. And this one's easy. You're just going to go ahead and post a photo of a fall project you made in our Cricut Design Space group on Facebook, and then a winner will be chosen, and you win a Maker 3. Everybody wants a Maker 3. Even if you have a Maker 3, you could use another Maker 3. Or maybe you want to gift a Maker 3 to someone. And we appreciate you watching us today. If you could give us the thumbs up, go ahead, like, and subscribe. We always will bring you the mystery boxes when they are launched, so you can buy quickly. Also, in the links below, I'm going to put a link to our email sign up, and that email sign up is going to send you an email every time as soon as a mystery box releases, so you don't miss out. And we'll also share different projects and coupon codes and deals that we find. So thank you all for watching. We really appreciate you all, and everybody have a craftastic rest of your week, and just a happy week. So we will see you next time, everyone. Bye, and toodles! Toodles from Alex.